We do want to make sure we recognize the sponsors, and a big thank you to Pennyprint Distributors, distributors of Michelob Ultra. They're our main sponsor for the Roseville Big Bird Run. They've been sponsoring us for the past 26 events. Longhorn Steakhouse, Panera Bread, Anderson Eckstein and Westrick, Arctic Air, Randazzo's Fruit Market for donating the fruit, Christian Financial Credit Union for donating the turkeys that'll be raffled off to the runners. We have 24 frozen turkeys for all runners to be eligible to win during the raffle. So get those draw prize tickets in the bucket before you run. Essential Massage right now is making sure all runners are loosened up. If you want to loosen up, go into the large gym, go visit Essential Massage next to the packet pickup area. You might see Red Robin from Red Robin Restaurants walking around. Make sure you go visit the Robin. They got some coupons to hand out to all participants and spectators. Thank you everybody for participating in the Roseville Big Bird Run.
We just found one of the caring clowns of Roseville. Now you say Joy Boy?
That's my name.
And what do you do as a clown here in Roseville?
I'm what they call a walk-around clown. I walk around talking to people, giving out toys, giving out stickers, and the rest of our club does balloons and face painting.
Now, I've noticed you at this race for a couple of years now. What is it that you do for the Big Bird Run?
Oh, I'm only too glad to work the Big Bird Run. It gives me the opportunity to see people. Usually I'm out on the street. Today I'm inside to see what happens inside.
Well, we have to keep, we don't want to keep you any more from your appointed rounds. Good luck today, and thanks for talking with us.
And thank you.
This is great. You have a big fan club. What's your name?
Jenny Gruber.
Jenny Gruber? And I understand this is your first 10K?
My first 10K, yes.
What did you think?
It wasn't bad except that bridge in the wind. Other than that, it was okay, and I had guys cheering me on at the end and running with me, and it was great. We had the whole family out here. Three families are out here.
3 families?
Yes.
So your whole neighborhood?
The whole neighborhood, yeah.
Well, that's a huge crowd to come out.
Yeah, they all ran. Everybody ran.
Wow. Yeah. So everybody ran either the 1 mile or something, right?
1K. Yeah, 1 mile.
Well, looks like you guys are having a great time.
Yeah. And we want a turkey to boot, they said, too.
You want a turkey, too?
My husband wanted a turkey, so.
What a great day for your family. Thanks for talking to us. And
thank you.
Congratulations on your first 10K.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.